Alright guys, so today I'm going to be changing the handlebars on my bike. The one thing that I didn't like as far as ride position on this bike was it did seem like it was meant for someone a little bit shorter. I'm about 6'2", and for me the handlebars just reach back a little bit too much. So I went ahead and bought some handlebars off of a newer Nighthawk. It's off of an 84. So what it will do is put them a little bit lower and they won't lean back quite as much. So hopefully it'll stretch my arms out a little bit more and make the ride a little bit more comfortable. So these are the Nighthawk S bars. I just got these online. They're from an 84, I believe. And my bike is an 83, and they actually changed a lot on these bikes just the year after mine came out. So I want to swap these bars out, so I'll be leaned forward a little more on the bike. It'll give me a little bit more room. I'm a taller rider at about 6'2", so this is going to give me hopefully a more comfortable position. Alright, so there is a little bit of rust and some spots where the paint is no longer there, so I am going to give these things a quick scuff and then give them some paint. Alright, so now that I cleaned off the bars and sprayed them, I'm going to go ahead and start disassembling the bars on my bike and putting the new ones on. Alright, so I changed the bars. I think it made a huge difference. Probably need to adjust a couple more things, but yeah, I love what it did to the bike. I definitely have a lot more reach now, or I have to reach further than I did. This was kind of my only complaint with the bike. Here's the bars that came off of it. And you can see these are like super like leaned back, I guess you would say. They were like curved really bad. So if you are a taller rider and you end up with a 550 SC, I would definitely consider switching out the bars. If you get the 650 or the Nighthawk S, it's probably not going to be an issue because that's where I got these bars from, like I said earlier. So big improvement to the bike. Alright guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.